This is the last topic in this chapter and also very important question for 4 marks and also 2 marks. The topic is geostationary satellite. Satellites which revolves around the planets is called satellite. Which revolves around the planets is called satellites. But the Earth has one natural satellite, that is moon. But number of satellites around the Earth every year from India we can send the number of satellites into the space orbit. That all satellites which are sent by India from ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, that all satellites are artificial satellites. These artificial satellites are 2 types. The first one is geostationary satellite, the next one is polar satellite. Now, what is the geostationary satellite? If the period of revolution of an artificial satellite, if the period of revolution of an artificial satellite is equal to the time period of rotation of the Earth, then such a satellite is called geostationary satellite. If the period of revolution of an artificial satellite is equal to the period of rotation of Earth, then such a satellite is called geostationary satellite. Time period of geostationary satellite is 24 hours, means 1 day. Time period, time taken for one revolution is how much? 1 day or 24 hours, which is equal to the Earth. This geostationary satellite is located at 35,800 kilometers height from the Earth's surface. Geostationary satellite is located at which height from the Earth's surface? 35,800 kilometers. Now, what is the use of the geostationary satellite? In the examination, we get it like a question. What is geostationary satellite? Write the uses. You write any 2 or 3 uses. I mentioned the 6. The first use, study the upper layers of atmosphere. On the surface of the Earth, nearly 5 layers are there. What happened in that upper layers? That is easy to study with help of the geostationary satellite. Second one, forecast the changes in atmosphere when there is a chance to get the rain, when there is a chance to get the cyclones. Forecast, weather reporting is given by the geostationary satellites. Now, the third one, it is used to know the shape and size of the Earth. And fourth one, identify the minerals and natural sources present inside the Earth, where the oil is present, where the mines are present, everything is identified with the help of the one geostationary satellite. Next, we are having nowadays number of TV channels, but all the TV programs or the TV channels are transmitted by the geostationary satellite. And next one, undertake the space research. Is there any comet moves towards Earth? Is there any asteroids moves towards Earth? Is there any chance to fall a shooting stars, etc., etc., is identified with the help of the which one? Geostationary satellite. Geostationary satellite time period is equal to Earth, means its time period is 24 hours. It is located at 35,800 kilometer height from the surface of the Earth. Okay. Now second type of artificial satellite, polar satellite. And next, geostationary satellite rotates from west to east. Why? Our Earth is also rotates from west to east. That's why geostationary satellites also revolves from west to east. Now, polar satellite. What is the definition of polar satellite? An artificial satellite go round the north pole to south pole of Earth. This is the Earth, north pole and south pole. An artificial satellite go round north pole to south pole of the Earth at height 500 kilometers to 800 kilometers is called polar satellite. Why? It revolves around the poles of the Earth. That's why it is called polar satellite. Time period of polar satellite is 100 minutes. It is also used for the weather reporting. When the rainfall is occur, when the cyclonic effect may be occur, in which direction the wind blows, cyclone moves, it is identified with the help of the which one? Polar satellite. But polar satellites revolves from north pole to south pole. Geostationary satellite west to east. Polar satellite north to south. Geostationary satellite west to east. Geostationary satellite time period is 24 hours. Polar satellite 100 minutes. Geostationary satellite height 35,800 kilometers. Polar satellite 500 kilometers to 800 kilometers. Okay. This is about the types of an artificial satellites which revolves around the Earth. Okay. These two are very, very important. Geostationary satellite is important for 4 marks. Polar satellite is important for 2 marks.